Welcome. In front of me I have the Google Pixel tab, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen, and one of those toggles right here should be a screen recorder. Now if you can't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you a second page where I still can't see the screen recorder. So I'm going to click right here on this pencil. So it was actually added, I just couldn't see it. So anyway, let's get back here, and it's on the first page. There we go, right over here. So once you see this toggle, you can tap on it. This will give you a couple options like record audio, device, or microphone, or both. And obviously if it's off, don't record any audio. And then show touches on the screen, which I'll enable just so you can see how that looks like. From there you can select start. It will give you a countdown from 3, at which point it will then begin recording. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. And just open up something. And once you're done, pull down your notifications and click right here to stop. And that's it. The screen recording gets automatically saved to your Photos application. Anyway, so from here we can navigate either to Photos. No, never mind, it's not visible in the photos. So we're going to go to Library, and here we should have a screenshot folder. Somewhere. Oh, not screenshot, my bad. Screen recording. But it looks like Google does not create a screen recording folder like some other devices which do have a specific location for this. Here we just have it in movies. So as you can see, it's right over here, and that will be the easiest way you can find your screen recording, by going into the albums and movies. And obviously here you'll find not only your screen recordings but any kind of video content, so camera recordings, or maybe some TV shows if you download them. They'll all be in here. But as you can see, you can view this from here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.